Welcome back to the channel. So this is the reason I haven't been able to find my screwdriver in 3 weeks. I'm literally done tripping over this thing. The real question is this thing full of copper, or is it just a big pile of disappointment? And we have this little one. So how about if we tear them both down, see which one actually pays the most by the amount of time it takes? What a crazy idea. Cast aluminum. Let go. They don't usually fight this hard, but this seal on this one must have been good. Here we go. Holy, that's just gonna snip some wires here. That comes out. Here's a little piece of aluminum trim. So this piece here is tin. It's all tin. You can turn around and take that off if you want. I don't normally, but I think this goes in recycle, this in the shred. And this half, that housing, is this steel shield. Pull that screw out, you got a capacitor. Just throw that in the shred. The rest is nice, clean cast aluminum. In here, there's a little bit of brass. Let's see if we can't get that out. This one looks like it might be an easy one to get out, that you don't have to smash. Sometimes you have to smash them if they're riveted. That's garbage. Here's your little piece of brass screws, a little bit of wire that needs to be trimmed. And let go. Some insulated wire, another nice piece of cast aluminum. Let's take a look to see if these are copper. A lot of times they're aluminum, sometimes they're half copper, half aluminum. And she's double copper. Now you could turn around and send them like that to your scrapyard under transformers. But this is double copper. We gotta take that out, don't we? That comes off. Now we're just going to drive that down. Here I've just got an old pin from a Chevy brake caliper. And all I'm going to do is place it over top. And pound it through. Dope. That one landed in the garbage. So that's number one. Let's go on to number two. That last one just took me under 12 minutes, just so we know. And we're gonna weigh all this stuff up at the end, break it down in how much per minute I made off of the first light and off the second light. Then we can determine what pays more, to do little lights or to do the big lights. You never know. If you haven't seen the hot tub motor breakdown, you'll find out that bigger is not always better. And I'll link that in the description. Oh, better turn on the timer. First of all, this is all steel. And you're wondering, how do you know this? Well, because I'm smart. And I have this magnet here that tells me it's steel. Same thing with that. Oops, let go. We're just going to take the snips. Let's see. Oh, there's more on this side. We'll keep that wire over here. This is the capacitor. Let go. Oh, I see. Some more wire. I really want that chain. I love chain. Not enough to break my screwdriver with though. One piece of chain. Let's get the copper out. Yes, it is copper. I made one mistake. I didn't check to see if this was copper before I started cutting it. That's on me. So the results are in, and I know this because I've got it on the official NiceJunk Stationery, this beautiful cardboard box. Anyways, this light here, the big one. So we're looking at, for copper, there was 1 pound, 11.6 ounces. Insulated wire, 4.6 ounces. This cast aluminum, I also threw in this sheet aluminum. I get paid the same price at the scrapyard. There's 6 pounds, 2.7 ounces, 0.8 of an ounce of brass, and that took 12 minutes and 6 seconds. So there's $16.75 worth of scrap here, or $1.40 a minute. And if you want to calculate more, that would make $83.75 an hour. Now the smaller one had only copper and insulated wire. The copper is 10.7 ounces. The insulated wire, 3.5 ounces, which took 7 minutes and 45 seconds to do. So there was $4.23 worth of scrap here at 55 cents a minute, or $32.76 an hour. Now by the time you pay for gas to go to the scrapyard, and you know, it's definitely worthwhile doing the big ones. It's still not bad money, $32.76 for the small ones, but the big ones, that's where you make your real money. Go down to NiceJunk.ca, pick up a shirt, some stickers, what have you. I really hope you enjoyed this episode. If you did, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and that was some nice junk.
Forged in fire, cut to the core. Hidden copper, always worth more.